Welcome to your celebration square, Mississauga Celebration Square. We built this for the people of Mississauga. And tonight and today, we are celebrating the birthday of the best country in the world, Canada. Aren't you proud to be Canadian? And here we are, and tonight you're going to see fireworks second to none. Right. Now, I want you to pledge tonight to do something special for Canada. Each and every one of you can do something. You can volunteer. You can raise funds. You can clean up litter. You can plant trees. There's so many things you can do for the city of Mississauga, the best city in Canada. Right? Thank you for coming. Today, the people of Mississauga has celebrated the birthday of this great country. Port Credit, Streetsville, Celebration Square, and the two Sikh temples in Mississauga celebrated the birthday of our country. So let's celebrate and pledge our support to keep Canada with the quality of life second to none in the world.
Thank you, Mayor. We have one more person.